What are you girls doing?
Guys, go fishing. There's fish under Remy. Against Leah. Whoa. Push me.
Can you girls jump off the boat again?
Huh?
Can you jump off the boat?
Now we're going to jump off at the same time.
Woo, Swimmy.
1,
There's Aaliyah.
2, 3.
Go!
Woo!
At the same time.
Do you have Remy?
Remy, what are you doing? Are you swimming?
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
Swim by yourself. Oh,
Open the gate.
Why do you want to get water in your mouth? Is that why you're covering your mouth when you laugh?
Yeah. Come on, let's go jump. Okay. Oh, are you gonna touch the
Look at Remy swimming.
Oh, Remy won. She beat me already.
Woo, Remy! Remy, can you say hi?
2, 3.
Woo!
We like to jump, don't you? Can you show them how to splash? Like that. Like
Put your
that.
hands together and splash.
Like this.
Put them together.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah! There you go.
And then you can kick splash. And then this way. Or this.
Can you do that, Remy?
You want done? Yeah. I'm gonna beat you. I can win. You're gonna win? Yeah.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, Remy won.
Yay, Remy! Did you hear? I'm gonna win.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Woo!
You splash down. That's me.
Is your daddy splashing you?
Can you do it this way? Like this? I won!
Yay, Remy! Hey, Lucy. Lucy. Lucy!
I'm here.
Hey, Tutu. Will you make Tutu move?
Her move?
Yeah, just make her sit up. Tutu.
I'm right here.
Lucy. She's out. Say hi, Stephanie.
Yeah.
There's Stephanie. Where's Shady? Shady lady, where are you? Oh, there she is. Hey, Shady. Say hi, Shady. Hi, Shady. He's like, what up? There's Stephanie. Stephanie, say hi. Lucy.
On video?
Scotty. Yeah. It's 5 minutes of the girls in the lake. How long can I make videos?
Probably half hour. You got a gig.
Alright, I'm gonna stop now. Hey, Remy and Aaliyah, say bye.